What in the world is going on with the tech hiring scene today? There are mass layoffs one day, record job reports the next day, and tech stocks are going up and down like a roller coaster. But despite all this chaos, the tech industry is thriving, and there are many companies that are still hiring skilled professionals. I'm Colin Wade, a tech product executive in Silicon Valley. In this series of videos, we're going to be talking about the top in-demand roles that are high-paying in the tech industry today, whether you're technical, non-technical, or creative. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you can see all of the videos in this series. We'll be using data from levels.FYI's still hiring database, as well as their compensation data, which includes salary, bonuses, and equity for tech roles across the United States. Number one, of course, is software engineering. These are, of course, the folks who are responsible for developing software applications and systems. According to Levels.FYI's leaderboard, software engineers are the number one most in-demand role in the tech industry today, despite the downturn. And you can make $200,000 in average compensation, including salary, bonuses, and equity. Number two is product manager. This is the role I started with when I started my career. Product managers are responsible for overseeing the design, implementation, and launch of new products. These are the number two most in-demand role today, with an average compensation of $220,000 a year. Number three on the list is the machine learning engineer. These are the engineers who are responsible for developing and implementing machine learning algorithms. That's what charges AI systems like DALL-E, ChatGPT, as well as self-driving car technology and recommendation systems such as what is the next TikTok video you're going to see in the queue. This is the third most in-demand job, and machine learning engineers make on average $240,000 in total compensation. But remember, for all of these roles, that's just an average, and it varies very wildly from $100,000 all the way up to $500, $600, and maybe even $1 million later in your career. The number four most in-demand job for technical roles is data scientist. Data scientists are responsible for developing and implementing statistical models to analyze large sets of data. According to Levels.FYI data, this is the number four most in-demand role today, with an average total compensation of $200,000 a year. Number five on the list is the full stack. These are engineers who work both on the front end and back end of applications. The front end is the UX layer. This is what you see, the visual layer of the application, while the back end are the systems behind the scenes who are moving data around and figuring out what to show you. These engineers can also make $220,000 and all the way up to $1 million later in their career. Number five on the list is a specific type of software engineer called the full stack engineer. These are probably the most common type of software engineer, and they work both on the front end and back end of applications.
Hey everyone, it's Colin. In today's video, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately. With all the recession talk and layoffs happening, it's more important than ever to have the right skills to stay ahead. That's where Brilliant.org comes in. Brilliant is the best way to learn math and computer science interactively, with thousands of lessons ranging from foundational math to advanced topics like AI and data science. It has everything you need to succeed in today's tech world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned tech veteran, Brilliant is an essential tool for professionals to stay ahead in the tech industry. As someone who's been in the tech industry for a while, I've seen my fair share of ups and downs, but the one constant has always been the need to keep learning and growing my skills. That's why I love Brilliant. Not only is it effective, but it's also fun. The puzzles and brain teasers keep me engaged and motivated to keep learning. With Brilliant, learners will not only be learning, but they'll also be building skills that can help them weather any economic storm. The skills you learn with Brilliant are applicable to a variety of fields, making you a valuable asset to any team. With lessons as short as 15 minutes a day, you can fit Brilliant into even the busiest schedule. So, if you're ready to invest in yourself and your future, sign up now for a free 30-day trial at brilliant.org/ColinWade, and the first 200 of you will get 20% off Brilliant's annual premium subscription. Don't wait until it's too late. Start learning today with Brilliant and gain the skills you need to succeed in today's tech world. Now, let's get back into it.
Number six on the list is a different type of engineer, which is the DevOps engineer. These engineers actually help other engineers and are responsible for automating the deployment and management of software applications at scale. Number seven on the list is cloud solutions architect. They're responsible for designing and implementing cloud-based solutions for businesses. This is the seventh most in-demand job, but according to Levels.FYI, they actually make $240,000 on average total compensation every year. Of course, if you're using a mobile app like TikTok or one of your mobile games, the people who develop those applications are mobile engineers. Typically, mobile engineers will work on iOS and Android applications and can either be front-end or full stack, just like web engineers. These engineers can make a total compensation of $200,000 a year on average, but like with everything else, they are very in demand, and for the right company in the right location, you're going to be able to make $400,000 or $500,000 midway through your career. Next on the list are front-end engineers. These are engineers who are specialized in the user interface development of web and native applications. Front-end engineers can make on average $180,000 every year. And sometimes front-end engineers over time learn back-end systems, and vice versa, and that makes them full-stack engineers. However, front-end engineers and back-end engineers tend to stay in one specialty throughout their career if they really love that part of the job. Of course, if we have front-end engineers, we also have to have back-end engineers. These are engineers who really specialize in the back-end systems of applications. They can make $220,000 on average every year. That was the list of the top 10 most in-demand roles in the tech industry today. Make sure you click like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for the next series of videos, including the top 10 most in-demand non-technical and creative roles in the industry.